Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make strawberry pineapple salsa. This salsa is addictingly delicious. It's perfect for summer, whether you're serving it at poolside or at a picnic or a backyard barbecue. This is sure to be a favorite. To start, we'll dice up some pineapple. Start by slicing off the top, and we'll spin it around and slice off the bottom. Then stand it up on its end and slice off the outsides. You want to get off all that pithy, pokey outsides, so just run your knife and slice it right off. Then it's time to slice our fruit away from the core of the pineapple. Pineapple cores are super tough and unpleasant to eat, but it's really hard to tell where the good fruit ends and the core begins, but I have a cool trick for that. If you press down on the center, you can feel that tough core in the middle, but you can feel where it starts to get soft around the outside, and if you just use your finger to draw a little circle, you'll know exactly where to cut. Cut off all the good fruit and you're left with that tough, inedible core, and you can toss that. Then we're gonna dice this pineapple up into really small pieces. Since this is a fresh salsa that you're gonna serve up with chips, you wanna make sure that all of those pineapple pieces are nice and small. Then we're gonna dice up some strawberries as well. And once again, you want these to be a nice, small dice. Once you have all of your strawberries diced up, it's time to add in the rest of the ingredients. Transfer all of your pineapple and strawberries to a large mixing bowl, and then we'll add in 2 diced Roma tomatoes, half of a diced red onion, and you want a nice small dice on that, 1/3 of a cup of freshly chopped cilantro, a diced jalapeno. You control your heat level with your jalapeno, so you can add a little bit more for more heat or a little bit less for less heat, so you can suit it to your own personal taste preferences. Finish it off with the juice from 1 lime, which is about 2 tablespoons, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And toss this all together. This salsa may very well become your new summer favorite. It's best eaten fresh, but it will stay good covered in the fridge for about 24 hours. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.